Help. You can click on Help. When you move your mouse to one of the command buttons, a tooltip window appears showing the name and the description of that command. Another place to search for help is Tell me what you want to do text box. Type what you are trying to accomplish, and while you are typing it'll list the commands or functions to accomplish it. Try by typing insert address and it will show you several action commands that Word can perform. Click Labels. Word performs the command. Click X to close the window. If you do not get the results you want or want more choices, you can click on Get Help and see more choices. Click X to close. If you do not get the results you want or want more choices, you can click on Get Help and see more choices or click More search results for. Pressing the function key F1 will also get to Help screen. Click on X to close Help window.